Hello friends, my name is Shafiq. Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS. Today our recipe is chicken coconut curry. A delicious recipe. This need 1 kilo chicken, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, little turmeric and salt. Mix and keep for 30 minutes for marinate. And mix 150 gram coconut milk powder and ginger garlic paste, 3 piece onion, 2 piece tomato, ginger garlic paste, 2-3 green chilli, curry leaves, if required tomato sauce also. Take one pan, put coconut or sunflower oil. When heat, put onion. Stir well. When little brown, put ginger garlic paste. Stir well. Then put green chilli, after that put our marinated chicken and mix it well. After put tomato, then close with the lid. Put the red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, mix it well. Now it's okay. Now put the coconut milk. Do not keep above of chicken piece this water, coconut milk water. Now it's ready. Put the curry leaves. Now it's okay. If you need, put add a little more water. Put garam masala for as required. Put coriander leaves. Now it's ready for you, the chicken coconut curry. This is very delicious food. Check it to your home. Yeah, wow. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you soon. Thank you very much. If you are not subscribed, subscribe for TECHNOWDAYS. Thank you. Bye.